In this video, we're going to learn how to name our tables from within Excel. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. The first thing you want to do is open up your Excel document that contains the table in it. And when we select the table and we select table design, over on the far left side, we have properties for our table. This is where you can give your table a unique name. In this example, I gave it ADS Table 1. And if I had many other tables in this worksheet, I would give them all tables too. Then, when you're referring to different tables throughout your document, you can refer to them by their name. This is super useful for maintaining accessibility of your Excel documents. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.